Howdy, hombres! My name's L.A.zy. Welcome back to Hollow Knight. Now, in the last episode, we did a couple of more we did some more searching. As you can see, there are more pathways leading down, leading up, leading all around. So, what we're gonna do is actually gonna head to those paths and see where we're gonna end up. So, it's just gonna be more exploring. Just pretty much the whole gist of this game. Just explore. Alright, I kind of wasted my lives on that, so that's a mistake on my part. Whoop. Okay, here we go. I don't remember if we've been here, though. Ah, shit. Okay, this is a new area because the map isn't showing. There could be an old one that I'm walking through. Let's see. Shit, more burning water. Okay, let's check the map again. Yeah, I think I've actually been here though. Let's see. Charger bugs. Nice try. Ooh, more geos down there. I'll take those. All of those. We got 700 geos now. And a wasted life as well. Ah, shit. I am not doing well on lives. Ah, damn it. Alright. Let's keep on moving. Okay, that takes care of him. Oh, I see Bramble leading out there. Ah, damn it. Still got me. Shit. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so don't touch that. Let's see where this leads us. Interesting. Seems to be electrical currents everywhere. Ah, shit. Okay. Ah, damn it. That did not go as planned. I've updated. Finally got ourselves a path there. So we can go through upwards and then downwards. Let's do that. Oh. Yeah. Alright, that takes care of that. Damn it. Yeah, we can go there. Oof. Let's see how we can go from here. Ah, shit. What the hell is up with me today? Getting all hiccupy and stuff. Let's see what this map say. Going down to what it says. Shit, you got me. Alright, healed up. Miss me. That's that. Okay, now let's get careful about this. And that's that. Got my stuff back. Okay, now this is getting tricky. Oof. Ooh. Ooh. Damn it. Thorns of Agony. And what does that do? Tell us. Senses the pain of its bearer and lashes out at the world around them. Taking damage, sprout thorny vines and damaging by foes. Do I actually have another quill though? I need to go back to the bench though. I don't know where this leads. Let's go back to the bench and update the map if we can. Alright. Yeah, this is the way. Bench should be... Ah, damn it. No, miss. Ouch. Ah, you caught me. Wasn't expecting that. Alright, let's see. Now equip the charms. When taking damage, sprout only vines and damaging by foes. Okay, so that's how it works. I see another path leading down. So I'm gonna guess that it's gonna be on the next way to go. Oof. That was not smart at all. My apologies. Oh, you weren't gonna catch me again. Oh, didn't catch me. And I drowned. Nice. Alright, further we go. Alright, that's good enough. Whoa, what was that? So that's how we do it, huh? Basically have a counterattack for every time we get hurt. That's a very useful tool, I'll admit. Where does this lead? Two low places. Another bench. Nice. Well, that leads way down. Map and quill. Stone slab bearing crest in the Hellenists capital city has been inserted in the back and filled into a slot. Mask shard. I'm guessing that little guy also sells those shards. Whatever the heck those shards could mean. I'm not exactly 100% certain. But we're going either way. Oh, oh, there we go. Who's a smart ass? Ouch. That's how we deal with you. Alright, good to know. That's weird. The problem is that that's that for you. Certainly come up with better challenges than that. What could this be? Oh yeah. Alrighty. So far getting the hang of this combat. As I'm saying that, it's only another very deadly foe. Ooh, what is this supposed to be? What does the map say? It is very, very dark. Alright, just be careful where you tread. Ouch. This kind of doesn't seem to lead to anywhere, though. Except to more spikes. Shit, do I have any charms that give more light? That's Soul Catcher. That's better with hard shell while focusing soul. That does not give light at all. Ah, damn it. No, no way. I don't think I'll get anywhere with all the darkness around. I will keep that temple in mind for now. Let's head further down. Yeah, just to heal ourselves, it never hurts to do. Let's see what's down here. More hot springs. And there's a big bug. And I didn't make it. Alright, now we made it. Ooh, what do we got? Where does this lead us? It's all bubbly and stuff. Fog Canyon. Interesting. Squids everywhere. Okay. So hitting those things is a bad idea. Fog Canyon Stone Sanctuary. But it's too dark to travel around Stone Sanctuary though. That's it for you. Oh yeah, I'm wise to your tricks. Alright, now to head where we were originally going. Except, let's see where that leads. Just more forest. But first, let's go to Fog Canyon. Get our souls. Ouch. Without being stupid. Just like that over there. Back to Fog Canyon. Takes away almost 2 of my health. Wow. Let's see where this goes. I hear the map maker. Let's see how far down is it? And I got shit on again. Okay, so it's more like being very careful and all that. Okay, so we actually met a couple of enemies there in a pretty unique way in order to deal with them. Hop and hop. Nice. Boom and a boom. That's it for ya. Let's try that again. Let's see if we can avoid those bigger squids as well. Because killing them is a bad idea. Damn it. Whoa, that was a hassle. Shit, I keep forgetting I shouldn't do that. Damn it. Oh. I just want to get to that map maker and be done with it. Yeah, sure, it's wasting time. Actually, no, let's not do that. Okay, now let's be smart about this. Damn it! That squid keeps getting in my way. There we go. What is this? That's weird. Can't even get through it. Strange. Damn it. That was my fault. Okay, so there's no point in this area for now. But I do hear the map maker somewhere. Alright then. And again, it was a mistake on my part. Shit. Alright, now at least we know that that place is off limits for now. So no point in going back there. I jumped that time. You can't bullshit me, game. I did jump. Oh, there we go. That was a jump and a half, and we're back on track. Give me all my powers back. Space squids, I think I can ignore them. Okay. Ooh, stag transport. Yes, please give me that. Shit, thought I could jump out of him. Alright, that was a close one. Yes, there it is, a stag beetle station. Finally. Queen station? Damn it. Okay, we are not going to deal with that now. Just want to see what that guy has in store to tell us. Where is he? Shit, where'd he go? Oh, don't tell me I missed him. Damn it. Ouch. A lot of caricatures here. There's Stag Beetle Station. I don't have a map for this area. Ah, shit. No. Yes, buy the Stag Beetle. New fast travel point unlocked. Let's go back to the map and see if he has anything for us. You've opened several stag stations now, haven't you? I'm thankful for the opportunity to once more travel through the kingdom. As I visit more places, I feel my memories returning to me, like the stag waves of my mind are running once more. Continue to open the stations, and you have my deepest gratitude. Off to Dirtmouth, my friend. I hope that lady has more maps, because blindly in this place is not advisable. And I'm back. What are you guys? Ooh, hi there. You there? Why are you skulking about in the shadows? Yes, your eyes do not deceive you. I am Zoti the Mighty, a knight of great renown. Tremble before me. While you were hiding here in your dingy little village, I ventured into the dark pit below us and slew a great beast. With sharp mandibles and atrocious manners. Yes, all glory to me, but I don't have time for his adulation. I must rest and prepare for my next journey down. That daft old fellow over there, he keeps talking absolute drivel. He seems to think the very air is deadly down in the caverns. Perhaps you should consider not breathing. He keeps talking about dreams, too. Dreams are for those who are too feeble to truly live. Okay, man, if you say so. Hello, miss.
Papa nada.
Shell marker. Gleamy marker. Why not, then? Well, there we go. I got all your produce, lady.
Papa nada.
After more supplies, you've already bought so much. Unfortunately for now, you cleaned us out of anything we're selling. Cornerful will no doubt be pleased, though I do wonder what he plans to spend all the geo on. Yeah, I pretty much bought all the markers, though. Let's see what the other has to say. My understanding of hollowness can be a little vague. Below these leafy caverns is a fungal grove, once home to peaceful creatures not quite bug and not quite plant. Sounds almost worth a visit, no? Well, there's a downside. The dreadful stench. Noxious odor fills the place.
Akala, Entono.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to speak to you. For as rude as that may sound.
Patmos, Gio!
It's a stalwart shell. Life in hollowness can be tough, always taking hits and getting knocked around. This charm grants you more time to recover after taking damage. You still need to escape from a tight spot. Let's see. Why not? Why not buy it? Okay, that's it. Let's see if we can access any more charms via bench. Don't have any more notches to use it on though. Small soul. Makes it easier to escape from dangerous situations. Builds resilience, recovering from damage. Let's see. Fatty rancid egg of an unknown creature. Its powerful stage of decay. Generally considered not edible. It could be a flashlight for the stone sanctuary. I mean, it's glowing. Queen station, please. Let's see if my theory is correct. We'll go back to the stone sanctuary and see if we can use it on that. Shit, we don't have a map, unfortunately. Don't have a map, too. Alright, going back up. Ah, shit. I'm guessing this is some kind of another interconnecting hub. I mean, it could be something else, and I could be wrong, though. It's a shame. Fall Canyon. Gears in the other place. What could that be? What do we got? Oh, hello, miss.
Oh, Bakura Finello.
Millbell, banker. Hello there, dearie. I was about to close up shop and run until you came along. I provide a banking service if you're interested. Losing one's geo is a terrible thing if it's so much more likely you get about on yourself. But Pulse is much more secure. I'm all the time as a banker, and I've never lost a single geo. Maybe you'd consider opening an account? Please open an account? Why not?
Destio, Gio.
You're a smart one. Next time some dreadful beastie gets the best of you, you're glad to know your geo's safe within my vault. Now let's do some banking. Let's boss it. Our balance is 0 geos for now.
Gio,
Goodbye then.
Kalala.
They stay safe. Again, no map for this area.
Destio, Gio.
Sorry, miss.
Gio, Kalala.
No geos for now. At least I know where the bank will be now. Wouldn't hurt to have it marked on the map, though. Alright, you have to get back up somehow. Ouch. It takes a split second to dodge these things, too. That was a close one. What does this lead? Probably upwards somewhere. Swirl the thorny roots. Go. Cool. Alright. Ah, damn it. Not so good. Let's just get on up. Oh, it didn't get me. That's good. That was not a nice experience, I'll say that. I don't think I can get up through there. Let's keep on going up. I still don't have a map for this area though. Yeah, Stone Sanctuary is a bit upwards. Alright, be careful when getting up. I think this is the way. Alright, that's it for you, and whew, that was a good counterattack, I love that. Alright, into the Stone Sanctuary. No, we are not given the light at all. Okay, so much for that then. Alright, let's head back to the bench then. Because apparently there's not much we can do here. Wait, what is it called again? Rancid egg. Alright, I'll keep that in mind. Oh. That's a balloon. Play like a balloon. Bench. Bench. Alright, let's see. I still wonder what these rancid eggs for. And I wonder if this old nail can be swapped out to different weapons. Okay, you know what, with this I'm gonna end this video here. We found ourselves a new area, and you know what that means, more exploring. I'm probably gonna be needing more tools, but exactly where I'm gonna get those tools I have absolutely no idea. We just seem to be going down below and getting like new areas spontaneously and without warning. So, I don't know, maybe it could be a boss somewhere down the line as well, I'm not sure. That area with the squids though is extremely annoying. I'm gonna be extra careful on that. So, without further ado, that's it for this video. Thank you all who watched. Hopefully, I'll see you all next time. Bye bye!